Tackle the messy and tough jobs of prepping shrimp and shucking oysters with the well-made kitchen tools from Toadfish. Tools like the 3-in-1 shrimp cleaner that peels, deveins, and butterflies in a single motion. It's made with a stainless steel blade and a sturdy recycled plastic handle, just like the oyster shucking knife. The knife has a bent tip that makes the opening job an easier one, and pair it with the cut-proof and puncture-resistant shucking cloth to get a better grip and better protect your hands. We like Toadfish's approach to doing these notoriously labor-intensive tasks better, and the Gulf Coast-based maker wants to help folks enjoy shrimp and oysters as much as they want to help preserve coastal habitats. So Toadfish plants 10 square feet of oyster beds for every product they sell, and they have a recycling program for tools that are ready to retire. With the right helpers on hand, prepping a seafood feast is quicker and easier, and with Toadfish, you can feel good about giving back to the water too.